Good morning. I am Dr. Kelly Feewox, Vice President of Academic Affairs at Piedmont Technical College. Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us at this one-of-a-kind project in South Carolina, our Advanced Manufacturing Labs. This project has truly been a testament to what we can achieve through collaboration and shared vision. Before we get started with our remarks, I would like to invite Dr. Keith Jamison to the podium to lead us in our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
The Mobile Advanced Manufacturing Lab project is a groundbreaking initiative made possible by a $4.9 million U.S. Department of Labor grant. Through the efforts of Piedmont Technical College, Aiken Technical College, and Orangeburg-Calhoun Technical College, this new initiative is helping us address critical workforce gaps in advanced manufacturing. The labs you see behind me will bring cutting-edge training and resources directly to the communities that need them the most. Equipped with industry-grade tools, simulation software, and an innovative modular curriculum, these labs are designed to provide students with real-world training and clear pathways for career advancement. Students will have the opportunity to gain skills in high-demand areas such as mechatronics, machine tool technology, and industrial and engineering technologies. Additionally, these labs will be easily adaptive over time to incorporate new curricula as industry needs evolve. As we prepare for the ribbon cutting and officially launch the labs, let us celebrate the incredible teamwork that brought us here. This project, more than an achievement, it's a commitment to building a stronger, more accessible pathway for needed workforce training. Thank you for being part of this journey and for celebrating this moment with us. Let us continue to work together to make meaningful impact in the lives of our students and our communities. I would now like to introduce Dr. Forrest Mahan, President of Aiken Technical College.
Well, good morning. As president of Aiken Technical College, I am honored here to be with my colleagues from Piedmont Technical College and Orangeburg-Calhoun Technical College to celebrate this significant milestone in our college's partnership and the impact it will have across the 10 counties we collectively serve. This sets us up for a win for both residents and for industries in our communities. With the implementation of the mobile labs, we are reducing barriers to assessing quality education and training for those who are unemployed, underemployed, and/or may reside in the more rural areas of our region. By gaining relevant skill sets, we will help open the door to opportunities for jobs that will pay well and positions that can be built upon for career advancement. That is a clear win for the residents of our region. Increasing access to education in our communities is also an investment in the economic vitality of our region. Companies in our region regularly look to the technical colleges to help support their workforce needs. I don't mind that Old Glory wrapping itself around me for this. from filling positions left vacant due to retirements and attrition to expanding their business by adding new roles. A skilled workforce is a win in supporting the successes of companies and industries in our area. I want to thank all of those who have worked to get us to this milestone and will continue to lead the implementation of this grant in our efforts to increase the reach of high-quality education and training in our communities. Your efforts will be lasting and have a great impact for years to come. It is a proud moment to partner with two of my favorite colleagues. Thank you.
Good morning. So in Orangeburg, there's a phrase that we use. It's a great day in Orangeburg County. Now, if you heard the Governor Haley say, it's a great day in South Carolina, she got that from Orangeburg. I will say to you today that it's a great day to be in Greenwood County and to share the stage with my colleagues. As president, we think about this notion of partnerships, and what we really are doing is creating friendships. And one of the friends that I have developed over the time is Johnny Wright, who is the chair of County Council for Orangeburg County. And one of the things he reminds me of when I see him is this notion of gratitude. Now, he reminds me about gratitude when I don't get the money that I ask for the county budget, but it is, I think, a very important notion to think about being thankful. And so on one hand, I'm thankful for Dr. Rivers and Dr. Mahan and Piedmont Tech for their leadership on this grant. I've got some colleagues here from the college, Dr. Stephanie Darway, who's the Associate Vice President for Academic Affairs, Richard Murphy, who is the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Wendy Kreider, who is our Public Information Officer, and it was someone from the Foundation Board that was coming, but I don't think that they're here yet. But this whole idea of gratitude, I think, is important as we think about what's next. The other thing I'll share with you is that the technical colleges in South Carolina were founded with this idea of access. If you think about the geographic location of the technical colleges, they are designed to be within 30 miles. Every citizen can get to a technical college within a 30-mile radius. But for some folks, 30 miles might as well be 300 miles. Like, it is still difficult for folks to make it to the campus. So with these mobile labs, what we really are doing is bringing college to our communities. We're taking it to the people, and that's really what matters. And so hopefully, with this concept, we can begin to change some of the words that we use. So poverty becomes generational wealth, or social mobility, or educational attainment. Because when we think about these terms and these words, we're transforming the lives of people. And when you transform the lives of people, you transform the lives of families. And when you transform the lives of families, you transform communities. And this notion of the technical colleges as being open access, but ultimately what we're here to do is to transform the lives of our people and the community to promote economic development, educational attainment, and social mobility for everybody that walks through our doors. And now those folks will walk through their doors as part of this mobile lab. So I'm excited about this partnership. I was telling Josh, who is the VP for Student Services, that more of this kind of collaborative effort across the technical colleges really needs to occur, and look forward to those kind of partnerships in the future. Thank you so much.
Well, good morning. I could not be more pleased than to share the stage with two of my friends. We have been colleagues for a long time, starting back when we were vice presidents for academic affairs together. So significant opportunity for us. We always would talk about what we could do if we would partner. So it is amazing that we have been doing this work for so long and now really committing to partnering together. Well, I'm Hope Rivers, and I serve as the president of Piedmont Technical College. Before I reflect on what this initiative means, I would like to thank a few groups who have helped to make this project possible. First, let me thank the faculty And I see many of them standing in the back. If you turn around, they're like right there. Thank the faculty and staff and our college leaders for bringing this project to life. They were the ones that really put forth the effort from all three colleges, making sure that we were following what was needed for this grant opportunity. Their commitment to excellence and innovation is just truly remarkable. Let's give them. To our colleagues from Aiken Technical College, Orangeburg Technical College, this initiative, as I started, is the perfect example of what we can achieve when we join forces. I just want to take a moment to thank you for the vision and the willingness to allow your staffs and faculty to work with mine. So I want to take a moment to just thank you for. And to our community stakeholders, many of you sitting out here with us right now, I am so grateful for your commitment to Piedmont Technical College and the other colleges that are sitting with us, to the local leaders and all that you do to support us. I want to thank our state legislators who are sitting here on the front row for all that you do to make sure that the college is taken care of. We would not be able to be as successful as we are without our very, very supportive commissioners. So to the commissioners who are here in the room, we say thank you. I also want to pause and say thank you to our foundation members. They step in when needed to make sure that we have what we need. I see superintendents in the room, and I thank you so much for your partnership. I could go through all the levels of government that are here with us, from county to city and all of that, to just say thank you. I guess what I am saying is some of what Dr. Tobin said in terms of just a heart of gratitude, just feeling overwhelmed by the support that you all offer. I'd like to take a moment to thank our U.S. Department of Labor and the federal representative that is here with us today, Angie O'Meara. I cannot thank you and Senator Graham's office enough. You are always there listening to our crazy requests that we want. We want to make this happen and then next that. But I appreciate you so much. I thank you all for helping us to see the vision of bringing $4.9 million here to Greenwood. But as Dr. Mahan said, to 10 counties, 10 rural counties across the state. This investment in education and in workforce development will have a lasting impact on South Carolina. This would not be possible without your continued support. The mobile advanced manufacturing labs that you see behind me are designed to make technical training available throughout our rural communities. I said to many of you when you were walking up, they said, tell me more about what is an advanced manufacturing mobile lab. These are the labs, and we'll get to walk in, where you'll be able to see mechatronics and all of those advanced manufacturing programs are right there on wheels. Individuals will not have to go that 30 miles. We may be in your Walmart parking lot. We may be at your Dollar General, right there where if you get to that spot, then you can come and be trained. And we are so excited about that. We're excited about what we like to call the ripple effect to what this means. And again, that's generation after generation we are touching right now today. So thank you again for your commitment to all that we're doing at the colleges. Together, we are shaping a brighter South Carolina. And with that being said, at this moment, I would like to invite our three legislators, Senator Garrett, Representative Gibson, and then our newest representative, Representative Rankin, to the podium to make some acknowledgments.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is certainly our pleasure to, on behalf of the Senate of South Carolina and on behalf of the House of Representatives, General Assembly, to give this award to Piedmont Tech, Aiken Tech, and Orangeburg-Calhoun Tech. Listen, this is tremendous. Our federal government, thank you for Senator Graham's work in helping us get this. Thank you for all of the senators who have been involved. I see Billy Odell's name there. He's our predecessor. It's always his vision was for us to grow, and this is an example of exactly what he was talking about. Hope, you've just been tremendous. The first day you came here, I said, I'm looking forward to see what you're going to do. And they'll see what she's done. It's tremendous. This is tremendous for all the citizens of South Carolina, and it's a great day in South Carolina. Orangeburg, Aiken, and Greenville.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, did we get copies?
Forrest is like, are we going to get copies? You'll have to get yours later, Forrest. Mine first. We never said we weren't competitive. We just partner.
Got it, thank you.
Exactly. All right, at this time, I'd like to bring Dr. Fewalk back up to tell us our next steps for the actual ribbon cutting.
Thank you again for joining us today. Will those that have been asked to actually participate in the photo for the ribbon cutting, please join me behind in front of the mobile labs here shortly. For others, we would like to invite you to the back for refreshments. As soon as the photo is completed, we'll have the opportunity to tour all of the labs, and we ask that if you have the opportunity and the time to please join us for that. Thank you so much.